Good morning, dear students. Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Nursing Knowledge Hub. I hope you all are doing well. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic in microbiology. I will explain each point in a simple and easy way for a better understanding. Watch the video completely till the end. If you are new to this channel, please like, share, subscribe, and support our channel for more nursing educational videos. So let us start today's session. Today I am going to deal with the topic that is importance and relevance of microbiology in nursing. First point, the knowledge of the concepts of microbiology like the modes of transmission of infection helps a nurse to prevent infection spread. It means microbiology helps nurses understand how infections spread from one person to another and helps in preventing the spread of diseases. Next point, understanding aseptic techniques helps nurses maintain a sterile environment in healthcare settings. Means aseptic techniques help nurses keep the hospital environment clean and free from microorganisms. Third point, proper collection and handling of specimens for microbiological investigation require microbiology knowledge. That means nurses should know how to collect and handle samples correctly to avoid contamination and get accurate test results. And knowledge about immunization schedules and vaccination is essential for nurses and is explained in microbiology. This helps nurses administer vaccines properly and educate patients about disease prevention. Microbiology helps nurses understand the biomedical waste biomedical waste management in hospitals and healthcare facilities. That means proper disposal of medical waste helps prevent infection spread and protects the environment. Next point, understanding pathogens and disease causing microorganisms help nurses provide safe and effective patient care. In simple words, knowledge about microorganisms helps nurses identify infections and care for patient safety. Next point, knowledge of sterilization and disinfection techniques helps in preventing hospital acquired infection. Means sterilization destroys all microorganisms while disinfection reduces the harmful microorganisms on objects and surfaces. Next point, microbiology helps nurses understand antibiotics, antimicrobial resistance, and infection control measures. This helps nurses use antibiotics properly and prevent antimicrobial resistance. It helps nurses educate patients and the community regarding hygiene and prevention of infectious diseases. That means nurses can teach people about hand washing, cleanliness, and methods to prevent infections. Next point, knowledge of microbiology is important during outbreaks and pandemics for controlling the spread of infections. This knowledge helps healthcare workers take precautions and control infectious diseases during emergencies. Next, I will discuss the important concepts of microbiology. Living organisms are classified into the domains based on their cell structure and genetic material. The three domains are archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. Archaea and bacteria are prokaryotes and eukarya are eukaryotes. That means living organisms are grouped based on their cell type and genetic material. Next, I will discuss about the difference between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. So, firstly, I will discuss about the prokaryotes. They are small in size and nucleus is absent in that cells. It contains single chromosomes and there are absence of membrane bound cell organelles and cell division take place by binary division or means binary fission or budding. And let come to the eukaryotes. Size of the cell is generally large. In this cell, nucleus is present. It contains more than one chromosome. Cell organelles present means membrane bound cell organelles are present. Cell division take place in mitosis and meiosis. Microbiology studies or explains the interaction between microorganisms and the human body. That means microbiology explains how microorganisms affect the human body and how the body reacts to them. Next point. Microbiology studies how microbes enter the body, how they cause disease, and how the body responds to infections. In simple words, it explains the process of infection and the body's defense against microorganisms. Next point, pathogenic microbes are microorganisms that cause disease. Some are harmful and many microbes are harmless or even beneficial. That means not all microorganisms are dangerous. Some microorganisms are useful for human health. Disease causing ability is called pathogenicity. Example, Mycobacterium tuberculosis causes tuberculosis. Vibrio cholerae causes cholera. The human body has a defense mechanism to protect against the infections. Microorganisms can be controlled by using antiseptics, disinfectants, heat, cold, antibiotics, and antimicrobial drugs. These methods help remove harmful microbes from the body and environment. That means different physical and chemical methods are used to destroy or control harmful microorganisms. Methods like immunization, immunotherapy, and immune modulation help strengthen or restore the body's immune system. These methods help improve the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. Human microbiome and human health. The human body contains many useful microorganisms called normal flora or microbiota, especially in the digestive tract. That means some microorganisms normally live in our body and help maintain good health. Microbiota refers to all the microorganisms that reside in a specific environment. In simple words, it means all microorganisms living in a particular area. These microorganisms help in digestion of food, regulation of metabolism, protection against infection, and strengthening the this beneficial relationship between humans and microbes is called symbiosis. In simple word, symbiosis means both humans and microorganisms benefit from each other. Next point, impact of microorganisms on human health and ecosystem. Microorganisms have both beneficial and harmful effects on humans and the environment and also play an important role in maintaining ecosystem. Microorganisms can be useful as well as harmful and they help maintain balance in nature. Microbial fermentation. Microorganisms are used in the preparation of many foods products through fermentation. Example, yogurt, buttermilk, cheese, bread. pickles, and alcoholic beverages. As previous class, I explained what do you mean by fermentation. Fermentation is the process in which microorganisms converts sugar into acids, alcohol, or gases. Some microorganisms produce energy sources such as methane and ethanol. These microorganisms help in the production of biofuels and energy sources. Microbes are also used in bioremediation, which means cleaning environmental pollutants like oil spills, pesticides, and chemical wastes. That means microorganisms help clean harmful pollutants from the environment. Microorganisms help recycle important elements important elements such as nitrogen, carbon, and sulfur in nature. They improve soil fertility, help in plant growth, and help animals like cows digest cellulose from grass. That means microorganisms play an important role in maintaining the ecosystem and supporting plant and animal life. Microorganisms are used to produce many useful products such as enzymes, antibiotics, vaccines, human insulin, interferons, and growth hormones. These products are important in medicine and industry.